Hi there, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to disable automatic updates for plugins in WordPress. Automatic updates are convenient, but sometimes you might want more control over when and how your plugins are updated. We'll cover two easy methods, one using the WordPress dashboard and the other through a simple edit to your site's configuration file. Let's get started. Method 1. Disable auto updates for individual plugins, dashboard. The first method is perfect if you only want to disable automatic updates for specific plugins rather than all of them. It's quick and easy directly from your WordPress dashboard. 1. From your WordPress admin dashboard, navigate to Plugins and click Installed Plugins. 2. On the Plugins page, you'll see a list of all the plugins installed on your WordPress site. 3. Look for the plugin for which you want to disable automatic updates. You'll notice a small link next to the plugin name that says Enable Auto Update if the plugin is currently set to Auto Update. Click on Disable Auto Update to turn off the automatic updates for that plugin. That's it. You've now disabled auto updates for that plugin, and you can repeat the process for any other plugins you'd like to manage. Method 2. Disable auto updates for all plugins. If you prefer to take a more global approach and disable automatic updates for all plugins at once, the second method involves editing your wp-config.php file. This method will turn off all automatic updates for plugins, themes, and even the WordPress core. 1. To begin, you'll need access to your site's files. You can do this via an FTP client or through your hosting control panel's file manager. Locate and open the wp-config.php file, which is found in the root directory of your WordPress installation. Two, in the wp-config.php file, scroll down to find the line that says "That's all, stop editing. Happy publishing." Right above this line, add the following code. 3. Save and upload the file. After adding this line of code, save the changes to your wp-config.php file and upload it back to your server if you're using FTP. By adding this line of code, you've effectively disabled all automatic updates for plugins, themes, and even the WordPress core. If you ever want to re-enable updates, simply remove or comment out this line in the file. And that's it. Now you know how to disable automatic updates for your plugins in WordPress using two simple methods. Method 1. Disabling auto updates for individual plugins directly from the WordPress dashboard. Method 2. Disabling auto updates for all plugins by editing your wp-config.php file. These methods give you greater control over when and how your plugins are updated, helping you avoid potential conflicts or issues when new plugin versions are released. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more WordPress tips and tutorials. Have any questions or feedback? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you.